Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through an interesting topic, and the topic is how to record and add voiceover in CapCut PC. So this is a CapCut voiceover tutorial. So when you record a video, now you will find out that your audio is quite not well. So what should we now do? So we can do that, we do voiceover on this existing video. So here you can see I found out that my audio is not working. There's a no audio. So now I just want to add an audio over here. So I just want to do a voiceover. So how I can do it? It is really simple. You just need to click over here in this button. You will find out here in the toolbar over that place, and you just need to click over here. Once you click over here, this voiceover pop-up will become, and here you just need to click to start the recording. Just click over here, and as you can see, within 1 second the voiceover will be start working. As you can see, this is a mountain and this is an artificial intelligence mountain. Once you find out that your recording is done, now you can stop this recording as well. And once you're done, now you can eventually hear this voice from that place. Let's play this one. 1 second the voiceover will be start working. As you can see, this is the mount, and here you can see that our voice is working perfectly. And once you find out that your voice is working and your voice is pretty much cool, then you just need to click to the export. Once you click over here, this way you are allowed to export your video, and this way you can do your voiceover. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting another topic. Thanks for watching.